In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see the posts you've commented on in Instagram. So this is a pretty cool feature. Now keep in mind that it only works with personal accounts, not business or creator accounts. So what you want to do is you want to just open up Instagram, and then to be able to see your comments, every single comment you've made within this profile, you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner right over there. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you'll see an option right here. The third one from the top is, it says your activity. Just tap on your activity and you'll have all these different options like time spent, photos and videos, and interactions. What you actually want to tap on is the interactions option right here, and then you have options right there. So it says comments at the top. You want to tap on comments, and this is going to show you every single comment you've made with this particular profile. So you can just scroll through all these different comments. You can see it shows every single one of them. And if you're looking for a specific comment that you made, you can find it here. So that's the process of how you can see all the comments that you've made in Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.